Well, as you can see, maybe these were a little too long in the drawer where I keep potatoes. Yeah, kind of look like an alien growth on them, doesn't it? But I thought, why waste them? I'm going to try planting them and see what happens. Now these are our favorite type of potatoes. They're Yukon Gold, and you know, I bought before from the garden center potato starts, but let's just see if the ones you buy in the store and you don't use in time can work. So this is my strawberry bed, which doesn't have a lot of strawberries in the middle or at the end, does it? I made the mistake a year ago of over-strawing my strawberry bed, and I think I smothered some of it and didn't take it off in time when the weather got warmer, and anyway, I screwed up. So I before had both white and, you know, white being the pine berries, and red strawberries here. So I'm not sure which varieties they are. I'm a little suspicious that they're the pine berries because they seem much more invasive, but time will tell. But I've got a lot of empty space in there, so that's where I'm going to plant the potatoes. Now, technically, I could split this into a bunch of different pieces to plant, but this is an experiment. I'm just going to plant it whole. And you want to have your white buds facing up. Let's put one right here. Let's see how. Well, we got, it's quite a bit of straw on it yet. So I'm just gonna snuggle this in here. Just put enough soil just to cover it. And then as it grows, I'm going to put straw around it, because that makes it a lot easier to harvest. So I'll be back when I'm done planting. I should mention today is Monday. I believe it's June 2nd. And that's a little late for planting potatoes, but our weather has been so up and down. When I got up this morning, it was 41 degrees. So it's supposed to get to like 68 today, which I think it has. It's a beautiful day. But I'm getting a late start on the potatoes, and this is just an experiment. I want to see how it does. So I'll be back if they sprout up. It's Friday, June 20th. Let's see if those potatoes I planted a couple weeks ago actually came up. Okay, you can see it's coming up here, here, there, there, there. So it's coming up in 8 different places. Let's see if we zoom in a little. There you can see a good one coming up there. Because there was more than one eye on the potato, I think they're coming up in bunches. I mean, look at the one over here. Let's see. So here's another clump, and that's really what they're doing. They're coming up in clumps. Got a late start getting these in. It'll be interesting to see if summer lasts long enough, so if we don't get a frost, that we can actually dig up potatoes and see how they turn out. But the neat thing about these are potatoes that I would have had to throw away because I left them too long in the drawer and they were just shriveled and so many eyes on them. So this is my experiment so far. As these potatoes get a little higher, I will be putting straw around them, and I keep putting straw to about a depth like that. It just makes it a lot easier when it comes time to collect the actual potatoes. So I'll be back in a month or so to show you how things are going.